Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new YouTube video, and today is going to be another theory video. I know I said I was going to be doing a history video today, but I just couldn't get some information and a nice script out for it to be a well-structured video, so I thought I might as well just teach something that I'm a bit more comfortable with. So today I'm going to be going over chord structure and some theory about chords. But most importantly, it's going to be how to read chords when given a symbol like this, like this, like this, or like this. So, if you're interested in that, I hope you enjoy, but if you're here for history, please stick and stay here, because it's going to be some well thought out information, and it'll definitely help you when you're learning your next song on the piano. Okay, so to begin, let's start off with this symbol, the triangle. So I'll tell you right now, this triangle means that the chord that you're looking at is a major chord, which sounds like this. So if you're looking at C major, it's all white keys, C, E, E, G, and B. It has a nice wholesome sound, or that is what we call a major sound. Here's E flat major. All major chords that have the triangle next to them sound major. They have a major sound. It's not a minor sound, or it's not a minor sound. It is a major sound, and that is how we distinct from a major chord to a minor chord. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, what is the symbol for a minor chord? Slap it up on there. That right there is the symbol to a minor chord. And how do you get a minor chord? Let's start off with the C major. The difference between a major and a... Oh geez, I did that wrong. I'll do it actually this one. The difference between those two, you can definitely hear a change between semitones, but you're shifting down that third. So let's look at the E flat major. E flat, G, B flat, and D. So you're going to move down the third note, or the third, not the third note. The third in this case is the G. So you move that down a semitone to a F sharp. And you also move down the seventh, or the fourth note in the chord, which is the D, and you move that down to a C sharp. So it sounds like this. And that is an E flat minor chord with the little negative symbol next to it. So that's the second symbol down. Now what's the next symbol we can look at? It usually looks like this, a hole. That, or actually, it's a whole, which is a diminished chord. A diminished chord is a bit different, but it has some sort of characteristics the same of a minor. So let's look at that E flat major chord, and let's look at the minor chord. That is the minor chord, but what you really want to do is move the seventh back up. So now only the 3 is flat. But now you move the fifth, which is the B flat, and you move that down to an A. So, the characteristics of a diminished chord, the one with the hole beside it, is you flat the third and you flat the fifth, or you flat the second note and the third. And that is how you get a diminished chord. Now, what if you're looking at your chord and you see a hole, but it has a little dash through it? Can't really do that, but I'll just put it up on the screen. That means it is a half diminished chord, and a half diminished chord is a bit different from a diminished chord. So let's look at our diminished. A half diminished chord just means that you're flatting the seventh note. So you flat the third, the fifth, and the seventh. So it becomes a 1, flat 3, flat 5, flat 7. So let's go over these one more time just so everyone knows. A major chord is just 1, 3, 5, and 7. Minor chord is a flat 3, and a flat 7. A diminished chord is a flat 3 and a flat 5. And a half diminished chord is a flat 3, a flat 5, and a flat 7. Now there's one more chord left, which looks like this. Most of you clicking on this video most likely thought that this meant it was a major chord, when it has no symbol on it. Well, I'll let you on a secret. That means it is a dominant chord. You may be thinking, what on earth is a dominant chord? Does it have anything to do with perfect chords? No. No, it does not. A perfect chord is a whole different spectrum. It is in the structure of going up chords in a major scale, but that is for another theory video. What a diminished chord is this, and I want to see if you guys can see the difference. Now I'm actually gonna... Well, if you guessed flatting the 7th, then you are correct. That is what a dominant chord is. You flat the 7th of that chord. So now we have gone through every single one of the different chord types. But there's one other thing that I should tell you before heading you out on your music journey now. So let's say you get a chord, and let's just keep it easier. Let's say you get a C chord, and it has a C7, like this. That would be a C dominant chord. I almost said diminished, but dominant. A C minor chord looks like this. A C diminished chord looks like this. And a C half diminished looks like this. So there you go. That is all you need to know about knowing chord types by giving the symbol and the name of the chord. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you out on your piano endeavors. If you want to download iReal Pro to learn some new songs, I'll leave the link in the description just in case you guys want to check that out. It is an amazing application that gives you chord types, chord scales, piano, guitar chords, ukulele chords, and you can have access to thousands of different jazz, pop, rock, and funk songs. So I've recently started using that, and I definitely suggest using it for all you music lovers out there. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this short video, but very informational video, as it has helped me in the past week for understanding more songs. So those songs I might be doing covers of in the future, so look out for that. That big project that I was saying last week, it kind of got delayed because of this video coming out, so that may come out during the holiday season, maybe by the end of December or the beginning of January. So sorry about that. I'll try and hop on that to get that out as soon as possible. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want any sort of video, any theory, any history, please let me know down below. I'll try and answer those queries in another video, or I'll try and fit them in for the next week. Videos out every Sunday, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern, you know the drill. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next week.